Best cryptocurrency exchanges for active traders. Today we're talking about the definitive professional trading platform guide, where we really look into the liquidity and the execution, the speed, the fees, the risk engines, and the institutional grade performances of these types of exchanges. So what makes an exchange truly trader grade? We not just looking at the general stuff here. We're looking at things like the liquidity, right? The low slippage on the platforms, the high speed matching engines, the stable risk engines that they have, competitive fees, advanced trading infrastructure like having conditional orders, iceberg orders, API trading, etc., and the institutional grade security. So we will be breaking down the top platforms based on a lot of these factors. If you want to get started with any of them, the links are all in the description. The link to the full guide is also in the description if you want to follow along that way. But without wasting any time, let's get right into the details, right? When it comes to some of the best advanced crypto trading platforms overall, we are looking at Binance as a global liquidity provider and leader, right, in the space. It dominates because it has the largest liquidity pool globally, ultra fast matching engine, deep altcoin markets, institutional grade APIs. Bybit is another one of those platforms with lightning fast matching engines, deep perpetual liquidity, also excellent execution, reliability, and advanced conditional orders. If you want to get started with Binance or Bybit, the links are all in the description. Or if you want to get started with OKX, which is really an institutional trading infrastructure here, where you have hybrid CeFi, DeFi trading, high speed APIs, deep liquidity pools, and so much more. Deribit is also one of those top platforms, especially in the options market. It's really the king of volatility trading, dominating crypto options markets, ultra stable risk engine, deep BTC and ETH options liquidity, and really one of the best out there. Get started with Deribit. The links all in the description. Or you might want to explore a platform like a Bluefin, which really gives you advanced derivatives and liquidity growth, a rapidly expanding liquidity on Bluefin, and also great API support. K6, one of my favorite platforms to trade on, really smooth performance, and also just an easy no KYC platform that is fast withdrawals, pretty much zero fees, and just really a great platform. K6 is one of the ones that I really like because of its simplicity, but really the reliability and the ease of use is incredible. Get started with K6 and get started trading with zero fees. Or you can even use a platform like BitUnix, right, where you can use high leverage with rapid execution, high risk, high reward strategies. BitUnix, go-to platform, or BingX if you want to get into some copy trading. If you want to use an OG platform, go use BTCC. It's been around since the beginning of time in these crypto markets. Or you can use other venues like Tabit, for example, right? So all of these platforms have something to really offer, but at the end of the day, if you're an active trader, you want to be splitting your large orders across time, right? So using iceberg orders to avoid signaling, and also trading during high liquidity sessions, and avoiding finding rate extremes, or monitoring liquidation heat maps using multiple exchanges for redundancy. If you're an arbitrage trader, use arbitrage scanner. If you're really an AI trader and you want that edge on the data side, use ascn.ai. All the links are in the description. Just check out the link to the full article, and our main site has a lot of guides and so much info for you guys to digest. But get started and let me know what your thoughts are. Where do you trade? Which venues really give you the best experience? Like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.